Hi, this is Saturn from Olivia, and welcome to your tutorial on how to create scripts in your Olivia dashboard. Just a quick note, if you would like any help or assistance, you can just click on this bubble here and our support team will be ready. Equally, you can email us at support@getolivia.co. So to start off with, we provide you with a default script, and this is just to give you a starting point. And if you do nothing else further than this, then any lead that comes into us will be handled with this particular script. It's pretty generic. You just have to read through this and you'll get a quick handle on what we're trying to achieve here by asking these questions. So I'll just jump straight into how you can change your questions and edit them and make them sound as the purpose should be, to sound like yourselves. And this is your opportunity for your business to communicate with every lead that comes in. So you want to take the opportunity to customize this as best as you can. Right, so if you click on edit, you can just go in here and add and remove any language you wish, just like so. These fields here at the bottom allow you to use they work like merge fields, and they allow you to use the data which we've captured from your lead to enrich your scripts. So you just click on that as so. And once you're happy with the question, you click save, and that's it. You can obviously remove a question by clicking here, and if you wish to add another question, you just click on add another script, and there you go. You can just give this a label and in there type in the question which you wish, and that would be saved as another question. So to get the most out of the system, the best way to use this is to have individual scripts for different lead inquiries, and we give you that. We support the functionality for you to be able to do this. All you need to do is click on the new source button and you'll find the range of lead sources which we support. Now you can essentially create a separate script for each different type of lead inquiry. So if you click on Rightmove Sales, this will give you the opportunity to create a Rightmove Sales script. If you click on Rightmove Lettings, you can create a letting script. Click on Rightmove Valuations, you can create a valuation script, and so on and so forth. As you can see from here, we support Rightmove and Zoopla. We also support Facebook, and there are a couple of US property portals which we support as well. So going back to your scripts again, just to give you some tips and advice on how to get the best out of your scripts. You have to remember that you are trying to qualify the lead. So I would sit down and take some time to think about what information do you require in order to determine whether this lead is a hot lead or is potentially a lead that isn't ready to purchase your product. Now the things that may determine that will probably be the budget, whether the person is the decision maker, how great their need is, and what their timeline is. So you can think of questions like, have you already viewed properties? Have you put in any offers? Are you approved for a mortgage? What is your budget? These questions will give you a good gauge on the strength of the lead. And I think to structure your questions to extract as much information as possible out of the leads will help you and your team close more deals and know which leads are best to prioritize. So yeah, that's just a few bits of advice there. Now, once our agents has used your script to speak to a lead over SMS, we'll pull this conversation real time into your dashboard. This is a demo account, so you'll see this happening real time as the conversation goes on, and we'll sum up all the information from the scripts just down here. I'll go more into this conversational dashboard in another tutorial, but essentially the starting point of our system is to create great quality scripts, so that your leads are handled in the way you wish to, with a personalized touch that has the tone of your business and extracts the relevant information for your team to do their job as best as they can. And that's all really. So hope you've enjoyed that, and the next tutorial will be on drip campaigns. Like I said, if you have any questions, you can contact us on the little bubble on the right hand side, or you can email us at support@getlivia.co.